Microsoft Excel. In Microsoft Excel, I'm going to use if function, if condition or if function through this exercise. So first type this table with 3 subjects, math, science, English. So likewise, we are going to find out maths grade, science grade, English grade. So the every criteria, I keep the cursor in first person. Say the maths grade criteria greater than or equal to 80, A, greater than or equal to 60, B, greater than or equal to 45, grade C, others all are failed. So likewise, so you keep it on here, the cursor, so we can find out the criteria for science grade. So the likewise, so then keep it on here, say English grade 70, 60, 50, likewise ABC and others all are failed. So the 3 subjects, total of 3 subjects equals some open bracket, close bracket. So likewise average in 3 subjects, total divided by 3, total divided by 3. So overall result, overall marks criteria greater than or equal to 45 pass, others all are fail. These are the criteria. These are the criteria. Say the first one, I'm going to use the if condition, maths grade. So equal if open bracket maths marks, the first person maths marks 89, maths marks 89. So you click on here, so that's address display on here, so the C6. So the greater than or equal to 80, type on 80, comma, in within inverted comma, A. So this one first condition, so then comma sign, again if open bracket, then select 89, C6, greater than or equal to 60, comma sign, inverted comma, B, then inverted comma close. Again comma sign, if open bracket 89 greater than or equal to 45, greater than or equal to 45, comma, inverted comma, C, then inverted comma close. Others all are fail. Say then comma, inverted comma, then type on here fail or F. We have used 3 times if condition. So the 3 times close bracket, because already open 3 times if condition, then press enter. So that result, the grade coming on here, A. So then after that, say you can copy this up to that last person. Right? So then highlight this. So alignment, center alignment or left alignment, right alignment, whatever say you can use. So likewise, science grade equal if, open bracket, science 50 greater than or equal to 85, comma, inverted comma, A, then open bracket, if condition, open bracket, once again 50 greater than or equal to, equal to 65, then comma, inverted comma, B. So again comma sign, if condition, open bracket, 50 again greater than or equal to 55, then comma, inverted comma, C, then comma, inverted comma, others all are fail, close bracket 3 times, then press enter. I'm sorry. You click double time. If condition D6, 85, three times, close bracket, once again, equal if, open bracket, 50 greater than or equal to 85, comma, inverted comma, A, first condition. So then comma, if, open bracket, 50 greater than or equal to 65, comma, inverted comma, B, comma, if condition, open bracket, 50 greater than or equal to 55, comma, inverted comma, C, others all are fail, close bracket 3 times, then enter. So then after that, copy this. Say then highlight and center alignment. So likewise English, English equal if, open bracket, English marks, the first person 90, greater than or equal to 70, 70, inverted comma, A, comma, if condition, open bracket, English greater than or equal to 60, comma, inverted comma B, then comma, if, open bracket, again 90, greater than or equal to 50, comma, inverted comma, C, other solar fail, close bracket 3 times. So then after that, copy this one, highlight this, so then total equal sum, open bracket, maths to English. So then close bracket, enter, then highlight this, copy. So then average equal total divided by 3. The first shell and then enter. So then copy this, highlight this one, two decimal, with two decimal places, overall equal if, open bracket, equal if, open bracket, average marks greater than or equal to 45, pass. Then other solar fail, then press enter. So then after that, copy. Say then alignment this. Say that's all. Say likewise, you can practice this one. Likewise, you can practice this. Bye.